hundreds of us!
And we've killed thousands of them! They defend themselves, that's all! They raid us because they have to. If they don't bring enough food back, they'll be eaten themselves. There's something else on their island, Dad. It's a dragon like
Their
you've never...
island? So you've been to the nest?
Did I say nest?
How did you find her?
But no, I didn't. Toothless did. Only a dragon can find the island. Oh, no, Dad, no, please. It's not what you think. You don't know what you're up against. It's like nothing you've ever seen. Dad, please. I promise you can't win this one. Dad, no. For once in your life, would you please just listen to me?
You've thrown your lot in with them. You're not a Viking. You're not my son. Ready to shoot!
Some legends are told, some turn to dust or to gold, but you